Hello, everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in to yet another episode at the Velocity channel. Listen, you're going to want to make sure that everybody that you know is watching this video, because it is going to be not only about Velocity Banking, but also about how can you leverage Velocity Banking in your business. Now, this is whether you're a business owner or not, okay? It applies to all people. So listen, before you apply for credit, I want you to listen to this, okay? You have to discover the incredible hidden wealth secret inside your own credit report. This can actually unlock up to what, $1 million in cash for any purpose. And did you know that it's easier to borrow $1 million than to earn it? You see, the big $1 million mistake is that millions of Americans take out a bunch of personal loans, personal credit cards, they max it out, they hurt their credit score, they sink into such a deep debt where no bank actually wants to lend them any money. So even the consolidation loans become expensive. Have you noticed that? Then you get stuck paying extremely high and painful interest rates. Please don't be that person. All right. So when you have business credit, you'll actually never face those problems. You'll actually be able to transfer your debt to a 0% annual percentage rate credit card. And you're going to keep doing that until those promotional offers expire. All right, man, I hope you wrote that down. All right. The only problem you'll face is actually how and where do you invest all of that money so you can double it, triple it, or even quadruple it. So please don't make the mistake that other people have made and getting all those credit cards and loans on your personal credit report. That's not what you want. You got to guard your personal credit and only use it to build wealth. Now, if you're not there yet, don't worry. That's what the whole channel is about. All right, so the key to your future wealth is to learn how to use your personal credit to apply for millions of dollars in business credit. Okay, secret number one, you don't need a business to get business credit. A perfect credit score is all you need to unlock unlimited funding and become a millionaire. Now, what if you don't have perfect credit? Well, this is what you can do, all right? Please write this down. Get your stylus out, your iPad out, your pencil out, because this is actionable right now, right? You can form a business for as little as, what, $100, $150, and then get that business credit without using your Social Security number. What do you think Elon Musk did, right? Give out his SSN and personally guarantee Tesla's debt? That's not what he did. Right? All these other people. The business is a separate entity that has its own SSN or business EIN and business credit reports, right? And then secret number two, you don't need an income producing business to get business credit, right? Many people are hoping to earn $1 million, but they don't realize that they can borrow $1 million and turn it into a $5 million asset. So what we do is we teach our students how to get business credit without a business, how to get business credit with a business, and how to buy businesses with existing credit lines of $50,000, $100,000, or even over $1 million. And that's for very cheap, right? And we're talking about $1 million credit line for less than $10,000, right? So you can use this credit line to buy real estate. That's what it's all about, okay? So let's put it this way. Some exclusive invitation-only credit cards have a $10,000 annual membership fee. So you can buy a business with a $1 million credit line for less than that. We got to start building wealth the easy way. You understand? We've got to start building it the easy way. So what we'll do is we'll actually show you how to build your personal credit so you can get millions of dollars in personal credit cards if that's what you want. But the ultimate goal is what? Transition to business credit. Why? You can get as many business credit cards, credit lines, and loans as you want, and they'll never show up on your personal credit history, right? Even if you default on some of the credit lines, they won't show up on your personal credit history because they are credit lines without a personal guarantee, meaning there's no personal liability. So today, in 2022, right, banks and credit unions are so desperate to lend money to small businesses. They're doing sweepstakes, giving cash prizes, vacation packages, gift cards, etc., just to get you to apply with them. So you don't have to work hard, just be smart, okay? Unlock that hidden credit secret. So this is some great things about business credit lines that you're going to want to know about, right? Unlimited cash without personal liability, no income verification, no documentation, collateral, or equity. The fees and interest payments are 100% tax deductible. You can use it for whatever you want. You can buy or flip real estate with it. Some even offer 0% APR up to 18 months. Some grace periods are up to 2 months with no fees. You can have free travel, cash bonuses, discounts on purchases, and store membership fees. Do you still need to know why you need business credit? Because business credit equals financial freedom, freedom to do anything you want. It gives you flexibility and cash anytime you need it, right? It gives you time back. You can buy time instead of trading your labor, your slave labor, for money, right? So interest you pay on business credit is 100% tax deductible. Travel expenses are 100% tax deductible. Of course, see your CPA for that, right? You enjoy special tax breaks, right? Every business expense is a tax deduction. Now, there are people who start a business with as little as $100 and become millionaires within 24 months or less by taking those business credit lines and investing them into real estate or even acquiring businesses, right? So, like, I just acquired a business, right? So your goal is to make sure that that business cash flows, right? That's why we buy businesses. We buy the cash flow. So you can be a W-2 employee and still own your business. It doesn't even have to make any income, all right? The business deductions will lower your personal taxes and put more money in your pocket. So you can transfer your personal credit card balance to your business credit, and all that interest will be 100% tax deductible. You can pay your rent or your mortgage with business credit and accumulate reward points for free hotels, free private jet flights, or cash. The amazing part is this: you don't need a business idea. You don't need any experience. You don't need a lot of money to get started. You can get business credit even if you don't have a business. What would you do with $100,000 sitting in your bank account? What about $1 million, right? Don't spend it on J's, right? Make more of it. So this is the money, though. This is the capital that can be in your account. And it's never been easier to borrow $1 million than right now. Now, let me give you a fun fact. Do you know that all the rich people have or had at least 10 companies? And number two, fun fact number two, many people in our Congress have bankrupted at least 2 of their companies. Why? No personal liability. Now, you can get the secrets on how to achieve this wealth and success. Unlimited funding is available to all U.S. residents, but unfortunately, people don't know about it, right? They don't teach this in school. So what we do is we give you access to exactly the education that tells you how to get what type of business types, what business credit lines are available to you. And some businesses, you know what? Some businesses do automatically get rejected. They sure do. Why? Because the lenders are not comfortable with them. That's why you need to get educated. So if you don't have good credit, don't worry. We'll show you how to repair it quickly, boost your scores in 30 days. And the fact is, you can get business credit without your personal credit score anyway, right? So we show you step by step how to apply for that. All right, so what you need to do right now, right, is to make sure that you click on the link that is below this video so that you can have access to this type of education, right? The videos and all of the information are there and available to you. $1 million is waiting, right, for you inside of this information. You just got to take a hold of it, all right? When I first learned about the Velocity Banking method, I was blown away, and it catapulted my business, right, literally very, very quickly. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to lay aside every doubt and fear and at least look at the website. Do yourself a favor, right? Because I know, some of you are afraid. Do yourself a favor, though, and at least look. Because as Grandma said, what is the best way to hide something from a fool? Put it in a book. Isn't that cruel? Oh, Grandma, you are just so cruel, right? But sometimes it's true, right? Sometimes we ridicule that which we don't understand. And I just want you to look. That's all I want you to do. Because I know you're in a spot that's like, oh man, what am I going to do? Look. The answer is available to you. This is called the information age, okay? But many times we don't know what to do with the information. Behold, the insight age. That's what Velocity Channel brings. It brings you insight. What do we do with the information? We bring you wisdom. We bring you insight into what to do with the information that you're getting. All right? So, listen, look, all right? And then learn, and then get. God bless you. And you guys have a great and wonderful day. And remember this, the information is not just for you. This information is for your family, your kids. If you have teenagers who will be adults soon, this is a must-have, right? These fast credit lines that you're beginning and this access, it's going to show you step by step how to acquire business credit and even businesses, all right? So please, please, please take advantage of that while you can. I mean, you get access to over 400 investors, right? You get access to fast credit lines, the ebook, includes the vendors and the funding sources. You get the truth about credit that banks don't want you to know, and 100+ ways to fix your credit. You get how to get high limit credit without your personal guarantee. How to even get a Tesla car and write off 100% of purchase price. You get tax deduction for miles you drive and make $2,000 a month with it. All right. How to buy real estate with 0 down payment using business credit. And we have case studies, right, to go from 0 to $100,000 unsecured credit in 7 days. Folks, and a lot more than that. So please, please, please do yourself a favor and go ahead and check it out. God bless you. You guys have a great one.